In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new ebook to your online store, configure it for digital download, and publish it for your customers to purchase. We'll walk through each step of this process in a way that's straightforward and easy to follow. First off, let's go into adding your product. Begin by logging into your store's dashboard. From there, you'll want to locate the Add Product button, which is typically found in the main menu of your product management section. Once you click, you'll be taken to a new page where you can input all of the necessary details about your ebook. This includes the title, author, and any relevant descriptions or metadata that will help your customers discover your book easily. Next, we'll move on to uploading your ebook file. Most platforms allow for the uploading of popular ebook formats such as PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. Choose the format that is most convenient for your customers and upload the file. It's a good idea to double check that your file is complete and correctly formatted before you upload it to prevent any potential issues for your readers later on. Once your ebook is uploaded, the next step is setting the price. Consider how much you want to charge for your ebook. This involves researching similar titles to see what price points are common, as well as thinking about the value you're offering. Enter your decided price in the pricing field. It's worth noting that some platforms may also allow you to offer discounts or promotional pricing, which could be a useful tool for launching your book with a special offer. After setting your price, you'll want to enable the digital download option. This feature ensures that once a customer purchases the ebook, they can download it immediately. In the product settings, look for a checkbox or toggle that enables digital downloads. Make sure this is activated, as it streamlines the purchasing process for your customers and enhances their experience with immediate access to the book. Finally, it's time to publish your ebook. Look for the Publish button or option, which is usually found at the bottom of your product setup page. Before you publish, make one last check to ensure all your information is accurate and complete. Once you hit Publish, your ebook will be live and available for sale in your store. And there you have it. You've successfully added, configured, and published your ebook on your online store. Keep an eye on customer feedback and sales to continue refining your product offering. Remember, making sure every detail is accurate and appealing helps enhance customer satisfaction and boosts your store's reputation. Thanks for watching and happy selling!